Alright YouTube, what is going on? As you see, we got the mighty Kagama and we got the TC ASUGA. This ASUGA is not your average ASUGA though, guys. It's got ADU shock towers, trill bulkheads in there. Or no, my bad, that does not have trill bulkheads. It's got ADU shock towers, ADU chassis. The other truck I just did's got bulkheads from trill. Sorry guys, I got confused. But this thing here, guys, check this thing out before we even run it. We're gonna run this one first, I guess. Here's what you got. You got ADU chassis, ADU servo mount, battery tray, comes with all of it in the package. Hobby wing, 2200 kV motor, max 8 G2. It is censored, but that's not a censored motor, so we're running it sensorless. These are RC all-wheel drive Mojave wheels, and thank you, Thomas. You want to run Mojave wheels on it, and I seem to like it. Going to get some buggy wheels again, I think, but these work pretty good right now, so we're going to strap this one up. This guy here is bone stock. We just had to change the snap the CVD off right here. Last time I had it out, it clipped her clean off, but we're going to rip this bad boy too. So let's get this thing plugged in and let's get it ripping. There we go, the ASUGA. Uh-oh, we got a runaway, guys. Trying to run away from me there. Oh, and we lost the pinion gear or something already. Hold on, but my pinion gear decided to check out the game, and it has no teeth left on it. So we're going to break out the other truck and hopefully run 2 batteries through it. That was unfortunate. We got a pretty chewed up gear here, you know what I'm saying? But let's see what this guy here does. Hopefully he lasts a little longer than that one did. That was cool. Oh Lord. That had no bring back to it whatsoever there. And it should have power for days to bring it back too. That makes no sense. Why the world that happened? Needs center diff adjustment on this thing. This center diff is you can put the back wheels on the ground in the frontal or they'll stop spinning. Holy crap, this thing's a beast. Oh man, she's all right. That was pretty sweet. Oh. Oh no. Oh, that unplugged it. And the guy with the dog's gone, so. Holy crap, hit my car with a rock. Ah. Downsloped it perfect. You see that from one? Yeah, from one jump to the other. That was amazing. On the low. You see that flip on the low, boys? Uh-oh, I got no steering. Nice. And I lost all steering now. What happened to your steering? Did we just lose a servo? I really hope not, dude, or I'm gonna be upset. We lost our servo. Ah, oh, no way, dude. Team Corrali, brand new car here, y'all. What the world, dude? Oh, this shit's starting to make me real upset, dude. Dang. All right, y'all. Well, it appears we lost our servo, so we're going to be back. Unreal.